Alright, today we're working on a 2002 Buick Rendezvous. We're going to be taking the control arm off and the strut. First you start off with the control arm. This is the ball joint. You have to undo this nut, but first you gotta get this cotter pin out of here. What you do is you just bend it down. Bend it down, get it as straight as you can, because it'll be a bitch to get out. I like to just get it like that so you can get at it, and then cut these right off. See that? You cut them off, and you go to the other side, and you can get them out easier. Now I'm gonna have to go turn the wheel so that way you can get more of an angle at it. And I'll show you how to do that. So you go on the other side. And you just turn the wheel. More room over here. On this side, it's light. Now you can get at it back here, and it's right there. I like to take a hook, and then you try to just grab it out with the hook. Oops. Of course you can't see because it's light, but I'll show you. You just wiggle it out. And then this nut right here, that takes a 19mm wrench. You can get on it. You can flip it. And then, if you're lucky, it'll loosen the nut without twisting the ball joint, but sometimes it does, and you gotta add pressure. And then you just keep going at it till the nut's off. Then, what you want to do is take this off here. I already got it loosened. What I like to do, you just get a vice grip and you grab onto that, and then you get your socket wrench. And here's a 13/16, I believe. Nope. Yeah, I think that was the other side. 13/16, and I like to use a breaker bar. Get you a nice pull, and it helps with the leverage. And then you just hold on to here with the vice grips, loosen this up, and it just comes right off. And then there's a bolt over here. Right there. And then the nuts right there. This side is a 13/16, and this side is an 18mm. And again, you just put a wrench on it like this, and then it'll just hit this sway bar and lock in, and then you just get your wrench on it right here, and you just loosen it up. Again, if you need to use your breaker bar, then you can do it like that. And then once you get all these bolts off, take that one out, take that one out, and then you take the ball joint out, you'll be able to just pop the whole thing out and put the new one in. And that's all you gotta do. So, if you liked the video and it was helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that way you can get updated on my new videos. And we'll see you in the next one.